What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are at our Dutchess yard, and behind me here we have this 1996 International 4900. If you did not see the video probably about a week or so ago, the drive shaft on this thing snapped right in half. It was super rotted and it was only a matter of time before it snapped. But this is a two-piece drive shaft, and the small piece on it was the one that snapped in half. It was about, I think it was like $1,400 to have the new piece made and then balanced with the old piece. I'll throw a clip of the old drive shaft in on top of this, but in the bed of my truck I have the new drive shaft here, so you can tell this is obviously the new one. This is the old piece that did not snap. They did grind it down a little bit to weld on some weights on both sides before they balanced it, and then they marked it with this gold paint to tell us basically how to line it up while we install it. So that is what is happening right now. We're about to throw the drive shaft in this thing and then test drive it, make sure everything is working properly and it feels fine. I'm sure we will have no issues. The place that I brought it to specializes in this type of stuff. But let me grab some tools, get the two pieces of the drive shaft out of my truck, and we'll get this thing going on here. You can push. Oh, that one is good. That one, I can't get this bottom one. Why not? Why not? 1, 2. Let me get my bolts. Come on. Going. Yep. 1. Where's my other bolt? Did it fall? Oh, there it is. 1. You got the wrench for this?
It's this one, muñeco. You forget something.
What? On these?
Yeah.
They're only in a little bit. Give me a...
No, just tighten it this little bit. Put one at a time.
One drop.
Just a little bit.
Is this empty, Ricky? Did you give me an empty one?
No, pull.
It's just there.
Is it empty?
Oh. Put that down. I put like a gallon on here. Next time, you take it off, not me.
It's a torch.
Hopefully there is no next time.
Muñeco, one truck. This big, this right shape, muñeco, the truck's moving. I go inside the truck.
Wait, what?
The right shape is broken.
Yeah.
And the truck is moving.
It was moving?
I leave the truck.
How was it moving if the drive shaft was broken?
Muñeco, I leave the truck in the parking. In the parking, and the brakes is stuck, and I go inside. I don't know how the Driveshaft is broken, muñeco. No make pressure, nothing, and the truck go all the way the back, muñeco.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
That's not good.
No, muñeco.
The sun is in my eyes. Alright. What? Yeah, yeah. Adios.
See you a little bit.
Okay. Wow, you're back already?
Give me food.
All right, let's start it up. Watch the battery be dead.
No.
Oh, it's the key. No, push the start. Tiene agua on the fuel. All right, guys, this truck is all back together and good to go. Obviously, I only got up to about 5 miles per hour going up the driveway. There is no plates on this thing, so we cannot take it out on the road, but it feels good. Everything obviously stayed intact there, and we have no issues. Once we are done working on the trucks up there today, we'll park this thing in the garage. But that is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.